Hi everyone, it's Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me again today for another video tutorial. Today we're going to be using the framed and festive stamp set along with some of our designer papers to make a really quick and easy card that you can send out for the holidays. Okay, one thing I love about this is all the sentiments, but you can also do tags. So we're going to do some tags on our Monday video, and there's lots of ways to do tags, so I hope you join us on Monday. All right, and don't forget we have a big end of catalog sale going on right now. If you click the link below, you can see all of our specials, our discounts. We have a lot more items on our clearance rack, so lots of good savings opportunities this month. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to start out with using a Sahara Sand card base. I've just folded it in half, so it's ready to go. I have a piece of basic white cardstock for the inside. I could probably stamp on here, but I thought I would add a piece just to be safe. Then we have a layer of real red. We have a piece of this gorgeous designer paper from Boughs of Holly. Then we have this piece. It's the small poinsettias on one side, polka dots on the other. I love polka dots. One thing I really love about our designer series paper is how one side usually has fun, busier patterns, and then the back side of the paper, the reverse side, I don't know if it's the back, I usually use the other side more often, are subtle patterns, usually with just one color, which coordinate really well. So I love the fact that they do that. And then I have die cut a circle out of basic white and an evening evergreen scallop circle using our layering circle dies. Okay, this is so quick and easy. Measurements will be on my blog. You can do this with any designer paper, any stamp set, any occasion, any holiday, it doesn't matter, okay? I'm going to stamp first because we should always stamp and then glue. Sometimes we forget that and then we have to live dangerously because you never know what's going to happen. For the see, I just stuck my finger in the red. For the inside, I'm going to use this sentiment that says, "May this season be filled with peace and joy." This is a little longer, so it's nice for the inside. Then if you have another stamp set or the one that coordinates with this, you can stamp extra on the inside. And then for the circle, I'm going to use "Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas." And when you're choosing which circle die to use, you just want to pick the one that fits your stamp set stamps the best. That's what I do. I just lay all my stamps and my circles to see what goes well. Okay, let's do a little assembly. I'm going to show you some samples using other designer papers too here in a second. Once I get these, oh, I stuck my finger on that. That's where we're going to stamp what do you call it? We're going to stamp a leaf or something. I have a little sand eraser. I'm going to see if I can get it off. I thought I wiped it off enough. Oh, look, all gone. Sand eraser. These are called Mono. They're by Tombow, who make our liquid glue. Sand eraser. I bought these on Amazon. Love them. I have one in my my to-go bag and then one in my desk because I use them all the time. Okay, so let's adhere our DSP to our real red. And this just has a very thin border, mostly because that helps make our designer paper pop, which is why I like to use the smaller borders. Okay, and this is a piece that's 1.5 inches wide. And then I'm going to take a little piece of this red ribbon. This is from the red and green pack that's in the mini catalog. I am not sure if that's on sale or not, but it is being discontinued. So if you want it, you better get it soon. Okay, I've just stuck that on with some of my seal adhesive. Whoop. Let's put a little bit more on there. And then I'm going to go right over that too, so we make sure it's really stuck on there good. Okay, I mean, how quick and easy is that? We're going to put this on. Make sure we have this pretty much the same all the way around. We're going to grab 3 dimensionals. All right, pop this up. Then we can embellish a little bit. You don't have to embellish a lot. I was going to use these Festive pearls, gold, silver, kind of a, I don't know, gold and silver. This is like a light green maybe. I'm going to use the red. Let's see. Might put one there. Put one up here. Whoop. And maybe one more right there. We'll see. So a little embellishment, a little ribbon. You only need about 5 inches, and some designer paper. Isn't that cute? All right, let me show you what this looks like with some of the other papers. So I have this one with the Sweet Christmas, I think it is. Isn't that cute? I had a bunch of this because I wasn't really sure what to do with that candy cane paper. But it looks really cute. And then this is the garden green ribbon that's in the same pack as this real red. All right, then here's one using the Storybook Gnomes paper. I love the snowflake pattern. And then this is the reverse side of one of the patterns. So I used Pacific Point ink and cardstock, and then I used the glittery white organdy ribbon. I love that ribbon. It goes with everything. And then I have one more right here. This is using the Santa Express designer paper. And I'm going to be honest, this was not my favorite paper. Just because this is not my, I don't know, the colors are a little different. Still cute. But I know a lot of you really like this paper, so I wanted to do one. So I did the Ho 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 pattern with some of these snowflakes, or stars, whatever you want to call them. I call them starflakes. And then I used on both of these, I used some of the Fine Sparkle adhesive back gems, which are also on sale. Love those things. They come in like 4 different colors. We have Pool Party, Balmy Blue, or Pacific Point. I don't really know what color that is, but it's a dark blue, a light blue, this pink color, and like a coral, which could also have gone with the poppy, but I elected to go for those. All right, so I hope you enjoyed these cards. You can use this for any occasion. You know, this is a really nice standard layout that can go, you know, landscape or portrait style. And it's very quick and easy to do. You can make a lot of these in just not very long. So I hope you enjoyed these. I'm going to be using the Framed and Festive one more time. On our Monday class, we're going to do some fun tags, and I will see you then. All right. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.